Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And look at you guys, I got a gift. It's from Arteza or Arteza, however you want to call it. It's a huge gift. So they said they were going to send me a Christmas gift, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So I am literally opening it all up now. People in my home were like, just open it, let's see what it is, and then you can unbox it later. And I'm like, no, I need to share this with the beauties so we could all be surprised at the same time. So it is a fun box. I'm gonna have to take a picture with it so you can see how big it is. And then let's see what's in there. I know it's gonna fit me perfect because art supplies, hello. I love this stuff. So, you guys, if you can hear in my voice, I was feeling a bit under the weather. I got all of that gut that everybody has. So, that's why I haven't been around. Let's see here. Okay, we got a little card in there. It says Happy Holidays. And then it says Happy Holidays. Love, Arteza. And that was handwritten. I can see the Sharpie mark. How cool. Alright. We've got paper. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Holy smokes. We've got, I'm going to move this out of the way a little bit. Keep it in my lap. We've got watercolor books, 3 of them, 88 pages, 110-pound paper, and it's 5.5 by 5.5. How cool is that? What else do we have? You guys will have to tell me what this is, because this says metallic gouache colors. It's pigment. And it's got gold, silver, bronze, and it's got pearl colors as well. Orange, bubblegum, scarlet, purple iris, aqua blue, emerald green, eucalyptus, and pearl noir. And then the pearl white rose. All of them are pearl. You guys, we gotta open this. We've got to see what this is. I've never heard of it. But, you know me. Just because I haven't heard of it doesn't mean it hasn't been around forever. I'm usually late on the trends. Oh, they are still gouache colors. Or gouache? I don't know. I'm going to have to look it up. It looks like my acrylics, but it's the same. I'm going to have to look that up. If you know what it is, put in the comments down below. You guys, there's so much stuff in here. This is water-based ink, blendable in a tomato red. How cool is that? There's different shades of red blendables, it looks like. Oh no, all of them are the same. Okay, cool. We've got Everblend art markers in a pink. Again, all of them are the same, you guys. They're sending me multiples of some of this stuff. I'm going to have to share with you guys because here is more in a fresh green. How cool. And this one is in what color? Sky blue. And then what's this? Half pans, water brush, and pen. Oh, there's watercolors. It's got pans of watercolor in there. And then a little watercolor brush. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. Holographic chunky glitter. There's 2 in there. There's some white called Moonstone, and then there's some purple called Fairy Dust. Can you see that? Oh! We got this, which I'm going to open up. And then finally, in this big bag of tricks, oh, look at this. How fun. It's a sketchbook. So it's all that black, but then you can erase things and the colors behind it come out. 8.5 by 11, 24 sheets. You guys, this is a great little gift. I cannot wait. And I'm going to share with you guys. How am I going to share? You know what? I'm going to put together a little goodie basket, and we'll just have a goodie basket going. So this is cobalt blue. These are the acrylic colors that I use already. And then this is huge. And then this one is light apricot. And that one is huge too. Look at that. Those are some big acrylic colors there. Alrighty. You guys have fun. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. We are going to do some type of giveaway. I'm going to put some things together from here. I'm going to put some of my other supplies together. And we will have a nice little giveaway. If any of this looks good for you, you guys, you know, I'll have a link down below. So if you wanted to get some of it. Acrylics I've seen before. And these guys, the markers I've seen before. But everything else is new to me. I cannot wait to try all of this. Alright, beauties, you guys have a wonderful day. Please give them a thumbs up for giving me this and sending it to me. I was so surprised. So, alright, beauties, you have a wonderful day. I will talk to you later. And I think, make sure you are on my Instagram, because that's where I'm going to put my giveaway there. I'll also let you know when I have it up. So, Beauty and the Stamper is my Instagram name. Make sure you follow me there, and I will see you soon. Bye!